Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini directly from your phone's home screen. First, ensure your device runs Android 10 or higher or iOS 17 or higher. To add the widget, simply long press an empty space on your home screen. Then, tap Widgets, find Gemini in the list, and drag it to where you want it to live. This makes accessing Google's powerful AI incredibly convenient, right at your fingertips. Once your Gemini widget is on your home screen, interacting with it is super easy. You can tap the sparkle icon to instantly open a new chat and type your query. For hands-free convenience, use the microphone shortcut to speak your prompts. If you need to analyze an image or ask a question about something you see, the camera shortcut launches Gemini's visual search feature, making tasks like identifying objects or understanding documents effortless. You can personalize your Gemini widget to best suit your workflow. Long press the widget on your home screen to access customization options. Here, you can resize it to fit your layout, from a compact 1x1 icon to a larger 5x3 display. You can also rearrange the shortcuts, placing your most used actions, like voice input or camera, front and center. Choose between a sleek bar or a functional grid layout to match your aesthetic. To get the most out of Gemini on your home screen, always keep your app updated to access the newest features and performance enhancements. Experiment with different input methods. Whether you type, speak, or use images, Gemini is designed to understand. Also, explore screen actions, which allow Gemini to provide context-aware assistance based on what's currently on your screen, integrating AI seamlessly into your daily mobile experience for greater productivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.